So this is longitudes. So we have completed this one. No problem.
Earphones.
So next we'll see this. Yes, we are here. So actually, yes. So if you see here, the longitudes are drawn like this. So vertical lines. So there are three zones are there. Heat zone, temperature, and frigid zone. Next, so we'll see this.
చెప్పేది వింటావు ఈడ వినపడుతుంటది ఏమి
మాసం క్లాస్ రా పక్కన అవడామంటే పంపించండి.
So we'll see this.
ఏమో
Okay, still now the okay. So okay, see here. Yes, just now I have discussed this one. So latitudes, the network of latitudes and longitudes. So it is called as a grid. So the network of latitudes and longitudes, it is called as grid. So grid means nothing but the network of so longitudes, and so it is called as latitudes. Okay. Next, in between this one, so it is called as 0 degrees. So it is a prime meridian. So prime meridian. Sometimes latitudes, longitudes is also called as so prime meridians. Okay, prime meridians. And next, so here you can see that participants. Okay. Yes. Next slide we'll see this. So next slide is, so here you can see this next. Okay. Yes. So this latitudes are mainly helpful for knowing of this time. Okay. So longitudes are mainly used for time, locating of time. So time and also location. So we can also locate this one, time. Okay. So see here in India, which longitudes are passing from India means, see here, there are two longitudes are there. So one is here. So here you can see there's longitudes. So it is about 68 degrees east longitude. That is present in the east side of India in Gujarat. Next 97 degrees east longitude. It is present in Arunachal Pradesh. So touching. In between these two longitudes, India is passing. Next, one more important longitude for India is, so here you can see this 82.5 degrees east longitude. It is called as prime standard. It is called as a standard time longitude. Standard time longitude for India. So here you can see this India. So for locating of India's time, we are using the 82.5 degrees. So here is there. It is 82.5 degrees east longitude. So here we can see this. Okay. Okay. And next one. So mainly, what is the time? What is the time for India? So here we can see this time. So the time of India, the standard time of India is 5:30 p.m. It is called as local time. It is called as standard time. Sorry. So it is called as standard time. Okay. So standard time nothing but, so just we are taking the standard time. Okay. So actually there is a lot of differences there between the two times, that is local time and standard time. So local time is nothing but, so that is Greenwich time. So Greenwich time. And the standard time, so it is also called as the IST. So IST is there. Okay, two times are there. So here we can see that India is called as so India is located in between these. Just remember these longitudes. Okay, that is enough. Next we'll see this Greenwich. So this total matter belongs to the Greenwich, and also India is located in which place. So that was there here. Okay. Next one. So next we'll see next slide. So here, yes. So if you see here, okay. So just see this. Okay. So I think you have listened this one. Okay, just